Hey all, John Oliver here. Welcome to a brand new adventure. Let's talk about something everyone loves. Money. It's the one thing that makes the world go round, right? Or more specifically, how to actually make it work for you. Because let's face it, money management can be a real puzzle. We've all been there, staring at our bank accounts like they hold the secrets of the universe. It's confusing, it's frustrating, and sometimes it feels downright impossible to figure out. Well, I'm diving headfirst into the world of financial education. I'm talking about the nitty-gritty details that can help us all become a bit smarter with our money. My goal? To transform this knowledge into cold, hard cash. Imagine turning those confusing numbers into something that actually benefits you. Can I do it? Let's find out together. This journey won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Now, I'm not promising to become the next Warren Buffett overnight. That would be a bit ambitious, don't you think? But frankly, just understanding where your money goes and how to make it grow feels like a superpower. It's about taking control of your financial future. So, join me on this adventure as we demystify the often confusing world of personal finance. Together, we'll break it down step by step. Think of it as a crash course in not being broke. Who's with me? Let's get started and make this journey both fun and educational. First things first, what even financial literacy? In a nutshell, it's knowing how money works. Sounds simple, right? But it's about more than just counting your pennies. It's about budgeting, saving, investing, and understanding how to make your money work as hard as you do. Think of it like this. You wouldn't show up to a football game without a game plan, would you? Financial literacy is your game plan for life. It gives you the knowledge and skills to tackle financial challenges head-on, from dealing with debt to planning for retirement. And trust me, the sooner you start, the better. Let's be real, we've all got financial baggage, student loans hanging over our heads like a bad haircut you can't seem to fix. The constant struggle of budgeting, which often feels like trying to herd cats on a unicycle. And saving? Don't even get me started. These are just a few of the many financial hurdles we face. But here's the good news. They're not insurmountable. With the right knowledge and tools, we can overcome these obstacles and build a brighter financial future. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your money. Section 4, Keys to the Kingdom: Unlocking Financial Wisdom. So, how do we actually master this whole financial literacy thing? Well, it starts with understanding the key principles. First up, budgeting. I know, it sounds about as fun as a root canal. But trust me, it's crucial. Budgeting is the foundation of financial health. Think of it as creating a roadmap for your money, so you can actually see where it's going and make it work for you. Next, saving. This one's all about building a safety net for those unexpected life events, because let's face it, they happen. Having an emergency fund can be a lifesaver. Then there's investing, which can seem intimidating, but it's like planting a tree. You nurture it, and over time it grows. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is now. Don't wait for the perfect moment. And finally, the magical world of compound interest. It's the concept of earning interest on your interest. It's basically free money, folks. The longer your money's invested, the more it grows. The magic of compound interest is that it accelerates your wealth building over time. It's like magic, but with less smoke and mirrors and more dollar bills. So start today and watch your financial future transform. Section 5, Assets versus Liabilities. Which side are you on? This is a fundamental question that can shape your financial future. Here's a big one. Understanding the difference between assets and liabilities. It's a concept that can make or break your financial health. Assets put money in your pocket, like investments in the stock market or mutual funds. These are things that appreciate over time, or that rental property you've been eyeing. Real estate can be a powerful asset if managed correctly. Liabilities, on the other hand, take money out, like that fancy car you may or may not need. These are things that depreciate in value. Knowing the difference is crucial for building wealth. It's about making informed decisions that will benefit you in the long run. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. Imagine the freedom of having your investments generate income. This is the essence of financial independence. So, take a good hard look at your finances and ask yourself, which side are you on? Are you making choices that build your wealth? Are you building assets or accumulating liabilities? The distinction is more important than you might think. The answer might surprise you. Take control of your financial destiny today.